How to copy your Skype name on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to copy your Skype name on Skype mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Skype and click here, and now go down and you will find this one here, settings, and then click account and profile. And now all you need to do is just hold on this one, click on it, and now click copy. Click here and then click copy, and as you see the Skype name now has been copied, and that's it. It's easy, of course, and that's it for today's video. And if you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.